All right, hello everyone. So when I travel, I really like to get the experience of the local area, flavor, culture. I'm not a big touristy person that goes to places that are mass made or whatever. I can't think. So anyway, I'm in Portland, Oregon, and I did due diligence to check the forecast, and it was just supposed to rain. So I just brought this thin little LL Bean jacket. Thanks, Mom. She bought for me for my birthday a few years ago. Thought it would be fine. And turns out that's not exactly what the forecast had in mind. So I'm gonna, I don't know if I can switch this around. Let's see. I don't think I can. So anyway, I'm gonna just turn the phone around. So I walked to my conference from my hotel. It's about a half a mile, so it's not bad. Except check this out. So I can't even see the crosswalk. So maybe this is it. I don't know. This kind of looks crosswalk-ish. So crossing the road, I'm gonna walk a half mile. So what I'm trying to get at is, when I visit, as I mentioned, I like getting the skinny, the real deal. What is it like to actually live here versus just being a tourist? I like to go into grocery stores and local places, and I love culture. I love hearing accents, and I love things that are different than me. I'm not one of those, oh Lord, okay, that was a lot of water. Oh, okay, so now I have cold, wet feet. I just stepped in a big puddle of cold water, and I don't have another pair of shoes. I have a pair of, I guess I'm a walking billboard for LL Bean today, a pair of LL Bean slippers. So probably wearing those to Mass tonight now, which I'm driving to Mass. I was gonna walk, but no thanks. Now, here's the difference between Cincinnati and Portland. There was like no snow. A little bit of snow when I was walking, and the sidewalks were awful, so that's what I was scared about. Check this out. Somebody's come through, already cleared these sidewalks, and they're not icy like they were when I was walking. So, Portland, I wasn't happy necessarily about coming here because of all the press and Antifa and these weird zones and stuff, but they're redeeming themselves with this. Check out, this is a nice clean sidewalk, and it's easier to walk on this with all this snow than it was when it had just started snowing and I was walking. So kudos to the city of Portland for that. Also, people are really nice, and I don't know if it's because pot's legal here and everyone's just high, but super nice. Probably some of the most relaxed highway driving I've ever done. Literally, everybody just following the wall and doing the speed limit and not cutting people off. Cincinnati got some work to do on that end. So I'm almost to the hotel, but if you're still watching this, God love you. You're just bored, apparently, watching me walk in the snow. My hands, I don't have gloves on because it was only supposed to rain. It's supposed to be like 47 and rain. So I am not an overpacker either. I pack like one outfit to sleep in for 4 days, because why do you need clean outfits for every night just to sleep in? And I try not to pack unnecessary things, especially when I'm flying. This is the one time it's bit me in the ass. A coat and gloves. Gloves, actually. I'm actually not that cold. Okay. Well, that's funny. God showing me, huh? Okay, now look, I get to walk through the snow. Remember, I have wet feet. So, now so when I came here in, I think 2021, in the summer, it was warm, mild, pretty. I was like, you know, not necessarily Portland, but Oregon, just in general. I was like, gosh, it's so pretty, the forest, and you know, yes, there's other waterfalls. Like, what a fairy tale. Now we get this in Cincinnati too. So, but and it doesn't really feel any different. It's not like it's colder or snow or anything like that. But I hear from you Cincinnatians that it was like 70-some degrees. We wore shorts and t-shirts. So it's the first day of Lent, and I'll be gracious. So good for you. I'm so happy. So happy that you had 70-degree weather. You deserve it. God bless you. All right, I'm here. Talk to you later. Bye.